Hello everybody, I created this video to show a game that I made in 5 hours using only 3 scripts, which I will show at the end of the video, so stick around to see that. I first made a map and implemented a simple rigid body character, which I tweaked to get the feel that I wanted. I then worked on the obstacles. The idea behind this game is similar to Ultimate Chicken Horse. You run through a level, and after you complete the level, you have to place an obstacle and run through the level again. And you have to run through the level as many times possible while being as fast as possible. After that, I decided to get the script that handles the placement of the objects. I decided to prevent placing 2 obstacles right next to each other because there would be a lot of tiles and that would just make the game feel very slow and possibly make it last hundreds of rounds. I then added some simple UI, make sure the game worked properly, made it so that you can fail, and I found a cool color palette to use. I'll drop the link below down for the website which I used. And using the color palette, I made some art. In the background here, you can see some gameplay. My current record is 71 rounds with a time of 455 seconds, which is about 7.5 minutes. And the reason I failed is because of Collider glitch. So that's one of the improvements I could make. Another improvement I could do is make tiles larger, since even if I can't place tiles next to each other, the game still takes a while. I'm also planning to add a map creator, so if that's something you're interested in, tell me. The itch.io page will be posted in the description as soon as I make it. Also, the devlog I am promised in the last video is underway, but I've run into some big problems that I can't get anything to work, but I'll post it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video, and goodbye.